Hey y'all, this is gonna be a good one. For Halloween and all the ghosties, it's gonna be coming knocking on your door. We're gonna make a scary pizza. Now this is pizza dough that I have bought from the grocery store. And you have to have a lot of patience with this. It's beautiful dough, but it does take it a while. I wonder if I could flip it. Think I can do it, Edie? No, almost. I got to try it one more time. I look like Millie, one of the grandchildren. All right, I'm just going to keep pressing and pressing. Flour in my hands. I had a pizza pan, but this is a good bit of crust, so I wanted a larger pizza. So I'm just gonna keep scratching and scratching. I now have my pizza the size that, excuse me, a spider jumped in my throat because there's a lot of spiders running around in this kitchen today. You know what I mean? So we're going to spread this with pizza sauce. Leaving a little border. And you just put how much sauce you like. And you can make a white sauce if you like a white sauce. But I think that the red sauce is going to be pretty because we've got some more stuff to go on this. But first, we're going to put it in the oven, 425, and bake it for about 15 minutes. Now, my oven really cooks fast, so I don't think it'll take that long. But we're going to cook it, and then we're going to put the rest of the stuff on it. It's going to be so spooky. Okay, y'all, that pizza sauce kind of evaporated while it was cooking, so I pulled it back out, and I gave it a little bit more to drink. And look at the mozzarella. Uh-oh, lost a stem. Not the first time I lost my head about something. All right, there we go. Look at that pumpkin. Look at him, how cute he is. I'm going to turn him around so you can see. And I think we ought to bring in a spider that's coming to bite him. What do you think? Oh, the kids are going to have so much fun as long as they don't burn themselves on a hot pan. But the kids and grandkids will have so much fun. Ouch! Unless they do that, y'all. I just let my arm touch that hot pan. We don't want the children to do that. Get over there so that. Look at that spider. Whoa. Is he scary or what? I think we ought to do a black one somewhere. We got a green spider. Let's do a black spider. You know, it don't take much to make me happy. I just love doing stuff like this. It's fun and no stress. I think spiders have 8 legs, but we're just going to do 6. Ouch. Can't let the kids' arms touch this hot pan, y'all. Oh, spooky. Now look at this piece of cheese, y'all. This is mozzarella cheese that Eddie has cut out in the shape of ghost. Look at that. That black with a spider has gotten on my piece of cheese. Oh, look, here comes another pumpkin. We'll put him over here. And you just decide on where you... Uh-oh. This ghost's arm fell off. That's all right. We'll get it right back on. We're going to turn that smile upside down. Here we come. Another ghost with... He done lost his arm. We didn't know he was going to have to do surgery, did we? Yeah, he needs arms to help him fly. So cute. So cute. This one looks like a shark. That would be all right to have a shark swimming in the waters, wouldn't it? Yep. Looks just like a shark. Now let's give that shark some eyes. Ooh, this is so much fun. What y'all think, kiddies?
Looks great.
I think it looks great too. So, here's what we have to do. We have to put this in the oven for 30 to 60 seconds, just till the cheese melts. I could stand some more spiders, couldn't we? Let's do one more quickly right here. I'm going to do his legs backwards just to make him look like a dummy spider. All right. In the oven, it goes 30 to 60 seconds because remember, our pizza is already done because we baked it off for 15 minutes. Now let's see what shape these ghosts and pumpkins take on. There ain't no telling when they start melting. They might be even spookier. All right, I think it's been maybe a little over a minute, but uh-oh. Those ghosts made this pizza, ouch, very, very heavy. They weighed a lot, the spiders and the ghost. Whoa, look at it. Yum. Does that scare you?
Uh-huh. It scares me too. It won't hurt me to eat it though. I won't be scared of that.
Oh, I think this is so cute, y'all. What a great little supper for the children before they go out trick-or-treating. I'm going to start with a pumpkin. You know what? I have found most of the time I like cutting mine with scissors. I think it's just so much easier than that pizza cutter. See how much easier that is? And we're going to get a little bite of that shark. Yes, we are. I'm going to cut his fin off. That's what I'm going to do. How fun is that?
Cute as can be.
Cute as can be. Now, if you don't want to go to all that trouble, you can go to the grocery store and buy a plain cheese pizza. Get you some mozzarella cheese and some olives and let the kids have a ball. Whoa! That pumpkin tried to run from me. That crust is delicious. It's crispy all the way through. And mozzarella is one of my favorite things on pizza. So fill your children up with something good and then send them out to get every piece of candy out there.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.